my memory is not that good, but I'd like just to relate because gusto ko lang malaman ng lahat na we can always say thank you, and that pasalamat includes gratitude. Yung ordinary na pasalamat lang, araw-araw yan, you're served, but yung gratitude is something that hindi mo mabili, and you have to experience it. The Johnson family, to Olivia, to Jeanette, to Ray. Before I forget, allow me to express na yung pagyaya ko, I hope it did not really matter to you. Dala-dala ko lahat yung mga sundalo. There is always a beginning and an end. The past 3-4 days was really eventful. Events that made us happy. That you are sharing a time with the person na gusto ko talaga niyan, and that is Leo Ray and si Ma'am Olivia. No, so, pasalamat tayo sa kanila. Huwag ninyong never just remember na at one time or another dumaan tayo dito sa Dumaguete for you for the second time, if ever first time. Thank you, and thank you for being kind to us. Maraming salamat po.